Nice day out here today. Birds chirping. Hopefully it should be a puff and smoke. Ought to be about right. There she goes. Puffing that smoke. Let the battery charge, warm up. Love her decent. Boy, she's puffing some smoke today. Like I say, it's been about 2 weeks. Getting low on fuel. There she goes. Rear it up a little. Need to put diesel in it, but 32-gallon tank, over about $100 to fill it up, even farm diesel. So that hurts the pocketbook. Make sure my front end loader still works. Oh yeah. I got this baby, I believe it's a 68 International 656. Got it a couple months ago, saved up a while to get it, needed a big one. Do some hay. I'm gonna let her run, charge the battery a little bit. So, thank y'all for visiting.